Hello, I'm Millie. Welcome back to the Adore Beauty channel. Today we're going to be having a little bit of a chat about blonde toning shampoos, conditioners, masks. So my hair has been through the ringer, especially now, like now more than ever. I want to make sure that I'm looking after the quality of my hair and making sure that, you know, I'm keeping it in like the best version that it can be. But I still want it to be hella toned. I don't want any of those unwanted yellow tones. I like to have the option to tone my hair at home as well. So this is just a way to kind of keep your hair looking good. Okay, so my personal faves are the Pureology Strength Cure Best Blonde. Now the reason why I really love this is because it's Pureology's Strength Cure range, which is all about restoring the hair. It's great for keeping the strength of the hair, especially if you're light and damaged, anything like that. So it is their top formula. Not only do you have a purple shampoo, you also have a purple conditioner. The purple conditioner is honestly one of the best conditioners that I've ever used. It makes my hair feel so silky, so soft. About the second week after the salon, I'll start to use these ones. If I really need like an extra boost of tone, like I'm talking if I'm like SOS, get me out of there. My hair is looking hella yellow. That is where the Platinum Blonde Anti-Yellow Shampoo from NAC is gonna be your best buddy. I have recommended this to every single one of my blondes. I just wanted something with the power, I wanted something with the pigment, but I didn't want to sacrifice my hair health, and NAC has absolutely nailed it. Smells great, leaves my hair great, you know, I don't feel like I'm lacking in anything and I still get that perfect pigment. The NAC shampoo also does have a matching conditioner as well. One of my favorite things is anytime I use this, someone is like, have you just had your hair done? And I'm like, no, I just use my purple shampoo. I will actually use all three of these. So I'll start with the Pureology Best Blonde shampoo. For my second shampoo, I'll use the NAC Anti-Yellow. And then if I'm really feeling the yellow, if I'm really wanting that ice baby, one of my favorite blonde masks is the Blonde Absolute Mask Ultraviolet. This one smells incredible. Obviously, it is a little bit more on the bougier side. So say if you wanted to keep your hair care routine, you know, keep your more like affordable shampoo and conditioner, but you want something like a toning mask and you don't mind spending a little bit more, that's where you could look at this one. I think it's around $60, but I'll have to get a price check. Thanks, Maddie.
Right now?
Well, not right now, but pop it on the screen.
Oh, well, yeah.
So not many people know. So with the Kerastase mask, this is actually a scoop. So you just take her out, scoop her in. She's very purple, smells phenomenal. So you really get that full sensory experience, and you can just kind of pop it on your mid-length ends, leave it in for 2 to 5 minutes, do your skincare in the shower and rinse her out and you're a blonde princess again. Okay, so I absolutely could not do a blonde toning video without mentioning the cult classic Fanola. So it's the Fanola No Yellow. This one is super pigmented. In fact, it's super pigmented in the fact that if you do use it in the shower, they do sometimes actually recommend to use gloves to protect your hands from staining. I'm not gonna lie, I'm actually not a huge fan. My main reason is because my hair's a little bit more like fragile. If I do use something like Fanola, it's just a bit too strong for me. I wish that I could use it because it is so great and like so affordable. It's gonna knock out those yellow tones and it will honestly probably be your bestie. The second last fave would be it's the So Silver shampoo from Matrix. Matrix is really underrated. We actually used to use Matrix in the salon. It smells great, so affordable, like so affordable. It's not the most pigmented purple shampoo out there, but it does get the job done. Packaging is gorge, and of course you really can't go past, you know, something that's A, gonna get the job done, and B, not gonna break the bank. The other really great affordable, you are only looking at about $30 for this one, so it's the Davro Blonde Senses Platinum Conditioner. I really enjoy teaming up like your normal like shampoo, so like look after your scalp first. You've got your number one hair concern down, but you just want something to kind of help like your mid-lengths and ends. Like you might not have blonde all the way up to the roots, you might just have like a bit of a balayage, and you just kind of want to help something keep it looking fresh and keep it feeling silky and gorge. You could look at teaming, you know, your normal shampoo up with something like this. The Davro conditioner feels great, smells great, leaves the hair really great, and of course you can't go past being cruelty-free, Australian made. Ticks all of those boxes. Okay, now I was really excited to be able to have this sneaky little one in my hand. I haven't used it and I'm dying to use it. Olaplex is bringing out a blonde enhancing toning shampoo. I know. So for all of my damaged hair friends who already use Olaplex, that's right, you can add this to your routine. If you guys want to see a review, if you want to see a road test, let us know. Maybe that can be something we can look at. That's a couple of my top picks for blonde toning products. Blonde toning products are incredible. They're so good to have like in your routine, but just make sure that obviously you're looking after your hair health first. Alrighty, so you can check out further videos from me right here. Otherwise, have a great day. See you later. I'm not on the hunt for my perfect blonde routine because I have my perfect blonde routine.
Oh, you do.